Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to submit tasks in ClickUp. First of all, just open your ClickUp account. Alright, now here, go on space or list wherever you want to submit the task. So I'm going on this list under this space, and now just click on this circle and select complete, and that's it. Your task is submitted. Now, if you want to see your submitted task which you have done, click on this customize on top right corner, click on more options, and here select show closed tasks. And alright, also here under page layouts, enable this option show empty status, and as you can see, you completed task. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.